In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. This is a really useful formatting trick if you are building a task tracker, a to-do list, or any kind of progress sheet where you want completed items to look visually different right away, instead of manually crossing out text each time something is done. Google Sheets can handle it automatically for you with conditional formatting. To begin, highlight the text cells you want to be crossed out when a checkbox is checked. This should be the range that contains your task names, descriptions, or whatever text you want to mark as completed. Be careful not to include the checkbox column itself unless you also want the checkbox cells to receive the same formatting. In most cases, you'll only want the text column or column selected. Once your range is highlighted, go to the top menu. Click Format and then choose Conditional Formatting. As soon as you do that, a sidebar will open on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll create the rule that tells Google Sheets when to apply the strike-through effect. In the Conditional Formatting sidebar, find the section labeled Format Rules. Open the drop-down that says Format Cells If, and from that list, choose Custom Formula Is. This option gives you more control and lets the formatting respond directly to the checkbox value. Now enter the formula in the box below. The formula you use should match the location of your first checkbox. For example, if your checkboxes are in column A and your text starts on row 2. Type $, A2 equals true. Written normally, that would be is equals 2. A 2 equals true. This tells Google Sheets to check whether the box in column A on that row is checked. If it is, the formatting will be applied to the selected text cells on the same row. The $sign keeps the column fixed, while the row number adjusts automatically for each line in your range. Next, move down to the Formatting Style section and click the strike-through icon. It looks like an S with a line through it. If Google Sheets automatically adds a background fill color and you don't want that, you can remove it so the only visible change is the crossed-out text. When everything looks right, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar to save and activate the rule. From now on, whenever a checkbox is checked, the text in that row will automatically appear with a strike-through. Thanks for watching.